And are you refreshed? Yes. Good. Now what?
Hey, Abraham. Okay, the first thing I want to share was Charles Martinet and how he became the voice of Mario from like the Super Mario video games. Seems a little random, but there's a point to it. So the way he describes the story is about 25, 26 years ago, and he was just laying on a beach, just chilling on a beach, and his friend calls him and says, hey, there's this acting gig for a trade show in Las Vegas. You should go check it out. And he said, what? I'm a professional actor. You don't crash an audition. That's just something you don't do. What's the address? So, so he went, and then as he showed up, the producer and the cameraman were basically 1 foot out the door, and they were about to leave, and he said, oh, hey, I was wondering, could I audition for this thing? And the producer looked at his watch. All right, come on, show me what you got. And then they went in, and then he did the audition, and he said, just keep talking, and when you stop talking, that's your audition. And so after about a half an hour, the producer said, stop talking, you're done. And so he said, thanks, we'll be in touch. And so he thought he didn't get the job. So then he was like, well, whatever, I'll just go back to the beach and just continue to relax. And it turns out that the producer only sent his audition to Japan for the voice of Mario. He didn't send anyone else. And 25 years later, and Mario is such an iconic character, I just thought that was fascinating. That
We especially like the beach part.
yeah, I knew you would. Yeah, he was just chilling and relaxing, and his friend called him, so he didn't even have to try to find the job. His
Well,
friend
the
came to him.
receptive mode, that path of least resistance, there are no limitations to your inner being's ability to reach you wherever you are.
Yeah.
But the more relaxed you are, and the more not out of the receptive mode you are, then of course the more in the receptive mode you are. We don't have, the story says everything that we've been saying all day. It's good.
Yeah, that's why I resonated with it,
Yeah.
loved it. Next thing.